Hey guys, so this is going to be the portion of me doing my mom's hair, and I am going to be doing tape-in extensions on her. She actually always gets tape-ins done, but I'm going to be trying out the E-litchi hair brand extensions on her. So I'm super excited. I'm about to go head to her house to install them for her. She does have some old extensions in right now, so I'm going to be removing those and then putting the E-litchi hair extensions in her hair. So I will be showing you guys the process of me doing that. I'm not going to be showing you guys exactly how to install tape-in extensions because that's for a professional, and if you guys really want to get tape-in extensions, I would definitely consult with a professional hairstylist on doing that. Please do not do your own tape-in extensions at home. It's not safe. I just wanted to throw that disclaimer out really quickly. I'll be showing you guys me installing the extensions in her hair. Depending on her mood, I really do want to curl her hair so you guys can see what it looks like with E-litchi hair extensions curled and everything. So I'm super excited. I'm going to be heading over there right now. So I will be heading there right now, but before I leave, I do want to show you guys the extensions. So this is the package that it comes with. It's super cute. I love the color pink, so the pink packaging, it really stood out to me. I love it. And these are the tape-ins I'm going to be using on her. Most clients need about 2 to 3 packs installed in their hair depending on their thickness and the length they want. I'm going to be installing a pack and a half because her hair is very fine. So 2 packs is a little bit too much, and she doesn't like it to be too much in her hair, so I'm going to be doing a pack and a half. But most average clients need 2 to 3 packs of tape-in extensions, so just a little heads up if you guys are shopping. And the color I got for her is a like dark brown, almost like a black. I will link the exact color down below in case you guys are interested. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna put these back in the package and I will be heading over there right now. The very first step I like to do is remove her old extensions. She's had these extensions in for about 7 weeks, so I'm just gently removing them. After removing all of her tape-in extensions, she went ahead and washed her hair. So while she's washing her hair, I just want to quickly talk about the E-litchi tape-in extensions. So the package does come 20 pieces, 10 sandwiches in total. It also comes with a do and don't guide on having tape-in extensions. Also, it does come with extra tape in case you do remove the tapes and need to retape them. Like I said earlier, most clients need 2 to 3 packs of tape-in extensions. If you guys are unsure on how many packs to get for your hair type, you can definitely contact E-litchi hair extensions and they can definitely let you know or recommend how many packs you need for your hair. Now I'm just quickly installing the tape-in extensions. Please, if you are not a professional hairstylist, do not do this at home. Definitely consult with a professional hairstylist with installing extensions. Since my mom's hair is super fine, I only like to put 1 pack of tape-in extensions on her because she doesn't necessarily need them for length, she just wants them for thickness. But if you did want them for length, I would definitely recommend 2 to 3 packs. Now that the extensions are installed, I'm just quickly trimming her front pieces here just so it blends with her natural hair. And this is the final look. I'm so obsessed with the way it turned out. The extensions feel so soft and super seamless. You can't even see them. And I do love the color range on these extensions as well. They're just really natural and I just really love these a lot, and she loved them as well.